fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we are doing a bedroom transformation. For the last almost 5 years, this room has looked exactly as you see it now. I was in a very blue, gray, white mood at the point, and now I've changed a bit. I want more of a beige, neutral tones, blacks type of a look, type of a vibe. So I'm going to do just a small transformation using some what I believe very affordable pieces to take this room into my Pinterest board dream. If you guys want to see how I do that, just keep watching.
First task at hand was to change out the paintings on the wall. Wanted something more neutral, so I put command strips on the back of these paintings. Command holds up my entire life. It's what's holding the photos behind the current headboard. And as you can see, as I'm removing the old paintings, they have been up for years. You see how that does? This is a reminder to you guys, but also really to myself to dust those bad boys up regularly. Dust can accumulate anywhere, and I have been sleeping with it. No wonder why my allergies probably been acting up. When you are hanging up paintings or anything really via command strips, it's best to kind of push lightly on it so it stays, but it's not fully deep ingrained into that wall. Take a step back, look at it, make sure it's even, then go back up and push it where you want it to be permanently. Again, command can stay up for a while, and once you pull the elastic off and you're done with the elastics on the back of those command strips, it's over and done. So you want to make sure you get it right the first time. This took a lot of time because I needed to make sure this was completely even. Next, I needed to remove these wall decals that I had put up for some odd reason. I liked them at the time. Now, don't really, again, match the vibe that I'm going for. So, removing that and putting up a new photo that I also got from Amazon. Everything that I have in this room will be linked down below. Like everything else, this bedding gotta go. So I got this blue bedding on up out of there and replaced it with this nice cream set. Now you may notice my clothing is a bit different because this is a different day. I needed to order a few more photos from Amazon to fill up my room. I felt like I had the beauty of that one photo, but I needed another, and I needed another to go in the corner of my room as well. I also wanted new pillowcases for my throw pillows. My bed has quite a few throw pillows, and they were all gray, blue, and white. I needed to change up that theme, so I ordered new pillowcase covers and had to wait for those to come in. I also needed new lampshades. I realized that gray was my previous theme, and that's what my lampshades were giving. I got these. Now, I will say they are a bit bigger than I would have liked. I do think they kind of overpower the room, and I'll probably in the future buy some smaller ones, but I think they're cute and they do for what I need right now. Also, I changed my curtain rods, and my curtain rods, like everything else in my home, is held up by command. However, I have a separate video on how I hang my curtains using command strips. I'll link that video up above if you want to check that out. Just as a reminder, this was the before and this is the after. I'd say it turned out pretty well. Now, there are some finishing touches that I want to do later, but again, this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. I have time to turn this room into the ultimate Pinterest board vision for myself, but I love it. I think it came together really nicely. I feel cozy. I feel quaint. I feel like it's given the look that I need, but you guys let me know down below what are your thoughts. Again, everything is linked down below in the description box. I did this project for under 250. Think pretty good price for what I accomplished, but again, you guys be the judge down below.